You are managing an Azure subscription, Sub 1, and are setting up Microsoft Entra Permissions Management. Your goal is to configure the service so it has the necessary permissions to manage role assignments for the subscription while strictly adhering to the principle of least privilege. Which specific Azure RBAC role and service identity must be granted to facilitate this functionality? The options are Option A, Contributor, Option B, Reader, Option C, Security Admin, Option D, User Access Administrator, Option E, Azure Credential Configuration Endpoint Service, Option F, Cloud Infrastructure Entitlements Management, Option G, Microsoft Azure Management. Please identify the correct role and the service identity from these choices. In my view, the correct answer is that the User Access Administrator role must be assigned to the Microsoft Azure Management identity. This combination is essential because the User Access Administrator role provides exactly the permissions required to manage Azure role assignments without granting broader control over resources, thus satisfying the principle of least privilege. The other roles listed are incorrect for this specific task. For example, the contributor role would provide far too much access, including the ability to modify infrastructure resources, which is not required. Conversely, the reader role does not contain the permissions necessary to manage role assignments. Microsoft Azure Management is the correct service principal identity that acts as the connector to perform these specific authorization tasks within your tenant.